In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix CSGO if it's stuck at 60 FPS, so make sure that you watch this video till then if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is open up this PC, and you can do that by clicking on the search bar and type this PC and open it up. Now open the drive where you have CSGO installed at, so mine is at local disk D. Now open up the Counter-Strike Global Offensive folder. Open the Steam Apps folder. Open the Common folder. Open up Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And now what you want to do is right click on CSGO application. Open the properties. Go to the compatibility tab. Check the run this program in compatibility mode for box and select Windows XP Service Pack 3. Now check the run this program as an administrator box and click on apply. If this didn't work, then what you want to do is just change Windows XP to Windows 8. Click on OK and your game should now be fixed. Just a tip, if you couldn't find Counter-Strike Global Offensive here, then what you want to do is open this PC, go to your local disk C, open the program files x86 folder, open the Steam folder, and your Steam apps folder should be in here. Once you open it up, you should have a common folder in here which will contain Counter-Strike Global Offensive. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.